जब आप आए तब मैं चला गया। I left when you came. I left when you came. वे मुझे कोई मौका नहीं देंगे। They won't give me any chance. They won't give me any chance. हम उनके साथ काम करेंगे। We will work with them. हम उनके साथ काम करेंगे। We will work with them. वह मुझे खाने को कुछ देगा। He will give me something to eat. He will give me something to eat. हम उन्हें समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं। We try to make them understand. We try to make them understand. रात होने वाली है। It's about to be night. रात होने वाली है। It's about to be night. बारिश होने वाली है। It's going to rain. बारिश होने वाली है। It's going to rain. आप बीमार कब हुए? When did you become ill? आप बीमार कब हुए? When did you become ill? हम समय पर पहुंच गए थे। We had arrived on time. We had arrived on time. मैं इस बारे में पहले ही बात कर चुका हूँ। I have already talked about this. I have already talked about this. आप मुझसे किस बारे में पूछ रहे हो? What are you asking me about? What are you asking me about? हम अक्सर उनसे पूछते रहते हैं। We often keep asking them. We often keep asking them. किसी के लिए इतना इंतजार मत करो। Don't wait so long for someone. Don't wait so long for someone. कल से मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं है। I am not in a good mood since yesterday. I am not in a good mood since yesterday. तुम सच में कितने अच्छे हो। You are really so nice. तुम सच में कितने अच्छे हो। You are really so nice. किसी के काम में रोक टोक नहीं करो। Do not hinder anyone's work. Do not hinder anyone's work. मैं अब आपके साथ कुछ दिन रहूँगा। I will stay with you for a few days now. I will stay with you for a few days now. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. यह बहाना यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। This excuse will not stand here. This excuse will not stand here. अभी मुझे बस आराम करना है। I just want to take rest right now. I just want to take rest right now. मुझे धक्का मत दो। Do not push me. मुझे धक्का मत दो। Do not push me. आपको यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have come here. You shouldn't have come here. आज मुझे पानी से ही अपना पेट भरना होगा। Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. अगर तुमने गलती की है तो माफ़ी मांगो। Apologize if you have made a mistake. Apologize if you have made a mistake. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें खूब कामयाबी दे। May the Almighty give you lots of success. May the Almighty give you lots of success. मुझे एक अच्छी नौकरी चाहिए। I want a good job. मुझे एक अच्छी नौकरी चाहिए। I want a good job. आपके नाखून बहुत गंदे हैं। Your nails are very dirty. आपके नाखून बहुत गंदे हैं। Your nails are very dirty. मेरी तरफ से अलविदा। Goodbye from me. Goodbye from me. आजकल मैं किसी बात का टेंशन नहीं लेता. Nowadays, I don't take tension about anything. Nowadays, I don't take tension about anything. तुम इतना खांस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you coughing so much? Why are you coughing so much? कम से कम तुम्हें गरारे तो करने चाहिए. At least you should gargle. At least you should gargle. गले को काफी आराम मिलेगा. Throat will get a lot of relief. Throat will get a lot of relief. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. I was not able to sleep. I was not able to sleep. कल रात में बिजली चली गई थी. Last night the power went out. Last night the power went out. तुम दोनों क्या कानाफूसी कर रहे हो? What are you two whispering? What are you two whispering? मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have spare time. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have spare time. वापस अपने कमरे में जाओ. Go back to your room. Go back to your room. मुझे रविवार का काफी इंतजार था. I was looking forward to Sunday. I was looking forward to Sunday. मुझे उसके चेहरे पर वो खुशी देखनी है. I want to see that happiness on his face. I want to see that happiness on his face. हर चीज का एक वक्त होता है. Everything has a time. Everything has a time. लेकिन तुम्हें तो मेरी सुननी ही नहीं है. But you don't have to listen to me. But you don't have to listen to me. तभी वह दूसरों की मदद कर सकता है. Only then he can help others. Only then he can help others. सभी लोग उसे बहुत पसंद करते हैं और तारीफ भी करते हैं. Everyone likes and praises him very much. Everyone likes and praises him very much. वह बहुत ही मिलनसार है. She is very friendly. वह बहुत ही मिलनसार है. She is very friendly. मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है. I don't have words. मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है. I don't have words. पैसे हमें हिसाब से खर्च करने चाहिए. We should spend money wisely. We should spend money wisely. हम मध्यम वर्ग के लोग हैं. We are middle class people. हम मध्यम वर्ग के लोग हैं. We are middle class people. उसके गले में बहुत दर्द है. She has a sore throat. उसके गले में बहुत दर्द है. She has a sore throat. मुझसे किसी की क्या दुश्मनी हो सकती है? What enmity can anyone have with me? What enmity can anyone have with me? मैं ऐसी इंसान नहीं हूँ. I am not such a person. I am not such a person. यह एक प्राकृतिक आपदा है. It is a natural disaster. It is a natural disaster. मेरे पीछे आना बंद करो. Stop coming after me. मेरे पीछे आना बंद करो. Stop coming after me. आप किस बारे में चिंता कर रहे हैं? What are you worried about? What are you worried about? इस बात को अपने पास ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. बच्चों जैसी बातें मत करो. Don't talk childish. बच्चों जैसी बातें मत करो. Don't talk childish. मैं सबको साथ में बताऊंगी। I will tell everyone together. I will tell everyone together. आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? Where is today's newspaper? तुम हमेशा अपनी बात मनवा लेते हो। You always get your point. You always get your point. तुम इतना नौटंकी क्यों करते हो? Why do you do so much gimmick? Why do you do so much gimmick? सभी लोग मेरी प्रशंसा कर रहे थे। Everyone was praising me. Everyone was praising me. मैं उससे नहीं लड़ना चाहती हूँ। I don't want to fight with him. I don't want to fight with him. काश मैं भी उसी की तरह होता। I wish I was like him. I wish I was like him. सभी शिक्षकों का वह पसंदीदा है। He is the favorite of all the teachers. He is the favorite of all the teachers. तुम्हें नहीं बात करनी है तो मत करो। If you don't want to talk, then don't. If you don't want to talk, then don't. चाय बहुत अच्छी थी। The tea was very good. चाय बहुत अच्छी थी। The tea was very good. मैं तो तुम्हें नहीं टोकती हूँ। I do not interrupt you. मैं तो तुम्हें नहीं टोकती हूँ। I do not interrupt you. अरे मैं प्रोजेक्ट बना रही हूँ। Hey, I am making project. Hey, I am making project. हंसना तो सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है। Laughter is good for health. Laughter is good for health. इतनी डायलॉग्स मुझे मत दो। Don't give me so many dialogues. इतनी डायलॉग्स मुझे मत दो। Don't give me so many dialogues. मुझे लंबी चौड़ी बातें पसंद नहीं है। I don't like long talks. I don't like long talks. तुम बात को इतना क्यों घुमा रहे हो? Why are you twisting things so much? Why are you twisting things so much? वक्त आने पर मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बता दूंगा। I will tell you everything when the time comes. I will tell you everything when the time comes. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। No, nothing like that. No, nothing like that. मुझे आज बहुत सारे काम निपटाने हैं। I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. आप कौन से ज़माने में जी रहे हैं? In which era you are living? In which era you are living? क्या मैं उसे एक बार देख सकता हूँ? Can I see her just once? Can I see her just once? मैं उससे पहले भी एक बार मिल चुका। I have met her once before. I have met her once before. कुछ पक्का नहीं कह सकते। Can't say for sure. कुछ पक्का नहीं कह सकते। Can't say for sure. कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? कहाँ से मिला ये तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? आखिरकार आप यह सब समझ जाएंगे। You will understand all of this eventually. You will understand all of this eventually. वह आसानी से गुस्सा हो जाता है। He easily gets angry. He easily gets angry. हमें जानवरों के प्रति दया भाव रखना चाहिए। We should have compassion towards animal. We should have compassion towards animals. मेरी तुलना उन लोगों से मत करो। Don't compare me with them. Don't compare me with them. तुमने जो किया वो तारीफ के काबिल था. What you did was commendable. What you did was commendable. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Whatever happens, happens for good. Whatever happens, happens for good. तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much? तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much? वह इतना क्यों बोलता है? Why does he speak so much? Why does he speak so much? तुम्हें चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. मुझे सोचने का समय दो. Give me time to think. मुझे सोचने का समय दो. Give me time to think. तुम किताबों को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो. You read the book thoroughly. You read the book thoroughly. देखो अब क्या होता है. See what comes next. देखो अब क्या होता है. See what comes next. बिना कारण अफवाह नहीं फैलती. No smoke without fire. No smoke without fire. और आपकी दिवाली कैसी रही? How was your Diwali? How was your Diwali? चलो कहीं घूमने का प्लान बनाते हैं. Let's plan a trip somewhere. Let's plan a trip somewhere. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? आजकल तुम कितने मजे कर रहे हो? You are having so much fun these days. You are having so much fun these days. वे मुझे क्या समझा रहे हैं? What are they explaining me? What are they explaining me? हम रोज उनके साथ टहलते हैं. We go for walk with them daily. We go for walk with them daily. ट्रेन समय पर स्टेशन पहुंच चुकी है. Train has reached the station on time. Train has reached the station on time. वे हमेशा हमारी तारीफ करते हैं. They always praise to us. They always praise to us. मैं समय से पहले पहुंच जाऊंगा. I will reach before time. I will reach before time. अब मुझसे सुबह उठा नहीं जाता. Now I can't wake up in the morning. Now I can't wake up in the morning. आज कितना शांत माहौल है. How calm is the atmosphere today? How calm is the atmosphere today? आप जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करो. You try to wake up early. You try to wake up early. देखो दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है. Look who is standing at the door. Look who is standing at the door. उसे जरूर नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. He must follow the rules. He must follow the rules. उसे बताने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use of telling him. There is no use of telling him. मैं उसका हर समय साथ दूंगा. I will support him all the time. I will support him all the time. मैं उसके साथ समय बिताऊंगा. I will spend time with him. I will spend time with him. वो अब और ज़्यादा मेहनत करेगा. He will work harder now. He will work harder now. उसे अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about his life. He doesn't care about his life. वैसे तो वो सब मेरे अपने हैं। Although they are my family. Although they are my family. क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I talk to you? क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I talk to you? माफ कीजिए, आप कौन? Excuse me, who is this? माफ कीजिए, आप कौन? Excuse me, who is this? वैसे तो वो अच्छा है, मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. उसे क्या दिया गया? What was he given? उसे क्या दिया गया? What was he given? आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone? यहाँ से सीधे चले जाओ। Go straight from here. Go straight from here. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है। He has been studying hard recently. He has been studying hard recently. तुम्हें उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत है। You don't need to convince him. You don't need to convince him. मेरी तबीयत दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जा रही है। My health is worse day by day. My health is worse day by day. वह जोर जोर से खर्राटे ले रहा था। He was snoring loudly. He was snoring loudly. सुनी सुनाई बात पर भरोसा मत करो। Don't trust on hearsay. Don't trust on hearsay. मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा? What harm did I do to anyone? What harm did I do to anyone? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ। Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. तुम दोनों बिल्कुल एक जैसे लगते हो। You two look so much alike. You two look so much alike. मुझे पहले कभी इतना मज़ा नहीं आया। I have never had so much fun before. I have never had so much fun before. मुझसे बातचीत करने के लिए क्यों नहीं आ जाती हो? Why don't you come talk to me? Why don't you come talk to me? टहलते समय पैर जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ाओ। Quicken your steps while walking. Quicken your steps while walking. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ। Don't troll others. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ। Don't troll others. दीपिका पार्टी में सबसे अलग दिख रही थी। Deepika was standing out in the party. Deepika was standing out in the party. दुकानें बंद हो चुकी होंगी। The shops must be closed. The shops must be closed. वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिला। I couldn't find him anywhere. I couldn't find him anywhere. देखते ही देखते रात हो गई। It became night in no time. It became night in no time. मुझे नई किताबों की खुशबू बहुत पसंद है। I love the smell of new books. I love the smell of new books. मुझे बदले में क्या मिला? What did I get in return? मुझे बदले में क्या मिला? What did I get in return? उसने मेरी दोस्ती का फ़ायदा उठाया। He took advantage of my friendship. He took advantage of my friendship. कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो. Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. वे गाड़ी आसानी से चोरी हो जाएगी. This car would be stolen easily. This car would be stolen easily. तुम अभी ज़्यादा परेशान लग रहे हो. You look more disturbed now. You look more disturbed now. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. शायद वो सही उम्मीदवार हो सकता है. He may be the right candidate. He may be the right candidate. उसने हाँ कहा या शायद ना. He said yes or maybe no. He said yes or maybe no. मैं ये रेड शर्ट लेना पसंद करूंगा. I would love to buy this red shirt. I would love to buy this red shirt. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूंगा. I would like to have pizza. I would like to have pizza. खुशियाँ अंदर से आती है. Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. उसने मेरे पूछने पर जवाब दिया. He answered when I asked. He answered when I asked. मेरे आने पर वो आग बबूला हो गया. He got angry upon my arrival. He got angry upon my arrival. ये वही लड़की है जिसकी माँ टीचर है. This is the girl whose mom is the teacher. This is the girl whose mom is a teacher. मेरा सब्र खत्म हो गया. I have run out of patience. I have run out of patience. अपने माँ बाप का सर गर्व से ऊंचा करो. Make your parents proud. Make your parents proud. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, अब जो है सो है. Don't think so much, it is what it is. Don't think so much, it is what it is. ओह मैं तो बिल्कुल ही भूल गई. Oh, I completely forgot. Oh, I completely forgot. मैं इसे महंगा समझता था. I considered it to be expensive. I considered it to be expensive. मैं तुम्हें अच्छा दोस्त समझता था. I considered you to be a good friend. I considered you to be a good friend. मेरे बाल लंबे हुआ करते थे. I used to have long hair. I used to have long hair. सच तो ये है कि ये सब मैंने किया. As a matter of fact, I did all this. As a matter of fact, I did all this. कोई कुछ भी कहे हम साथ रहेंगे. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. तुम हमारे बीच में आ रहे हो. You are coming between us. You are coming between us. वह अभी भी मेरी परवाह करती है. She still cares for me. She still cares for me. रिया कहाँ जाने वाली है? Where is Riya going to go? आप उससे क्यों बात नहीं करते हो? Why don't you talk to him? Why don't you talk to him? हमें जल्दबाजी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need for us to hurry. There is no need for us to hurry. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है. There are no spoons on the table. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है। There are no spoons on the table. लड़के की आंखों में डर था। There was fear in boy's eyes. There was fear in boy's eyes. अब कोई समस्या नहीं होगी। There will not be any more problems. There will not be any more problems. मेरे बैग में बहुत सारे पैसे थे। There was a lot of money in my bag. Translate it. ज़्यादा मत हंसो। थैंक यू। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें।